Hello guys, and welcome back to another dishwasher video. I just loaded up my dishwasher, filled it up with soap, and I am going to be showing you guys how to make sure the heat dry is on. This is a Whirlpool dishwasher. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to set my cycle. I'm going to use the 1 hour wash that's right here. And then from there, I am going to come over here. We have heat dry, and you cannot turn on the high temp. In order to use the high temp, it has to be on the heavy or normal cycle. But I'm going to do the 1 hour wash with the heat dry. And then from there, we're just going to hit the start button. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Can you hear it? It started. All right, that's it. That is how you start your Whirlpool dishwasher for a 1 hour wash with the heat dry. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I will link the rest of my dishwasher videos down in the description box, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.